Unlocking teamwork. The All-Star Team, explained. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase that's all about excellence, the All-Star Team. Stick with us to understand not just what it means, but how you can use it in everyday conversation. An all-star team refers to a group of individuals who are the best of the best in their respective fields or roles. Imagine picking players for a sports team, and you choose only the top-performing athletes. That's your all-star team. It's not just limited to sports, though. This phrase can apply to any group known for high achievement. The term all-star originated in sports, particularly baseball, where the best players from across the league are selected to play in an all-star game. Over time, the term has transcended sports and is now used in various contexts to denote high quality and exceptional performance. Incorporating all-star team into your vocabulary can add flair and clarity when you're talking about excellence. For example, the company recruited an all-star team of engineers to develop their new product. The charity event was a success thanks to an all-star team of volunteers. The concept of an all-star has permeated pop culture, often used in music and film to signify someone at the top of their game. It's a way to immediately communicate talent and skill. And that's a wrap on the all-star team. Use this phrase to talk about groups who are shining examples of success and talent in their fields. Until our next linguistic adventure, keep practicing, and you'll soon be part of the language learning all-star team.